Hello, my name is Chris Hayworth, and this is my video presentation for my final project for my CSC227 class, Cloud Application Development at Wake Technical Community College. So the goals for part A of the project were first to create an EC2 instance, then to create a database server with RDS, and then finally deploy a sample web application on the cloud. So here in EC2 I have some stopped, some running, but 4 virtual machine instances. I can log into one of these. And then begin running the operating system as normal. For the RDS instance, I have a up and running one using the MySQL engine. And then for the static website, I have chosen the domain, or this is my domain and this is the website. So in the instructions, there is a diagram for the architecture for hosting a website on the cloud. So the first thing that I had to do was head to Route 53 on AWS and register a domain. After that, I had to run over to S3 and create 3 buckets. This one is the root bucket, this is the logs bucket, and this one is a bucket that redirects to the root bucket. The root's logs are deposited in logs. Following the diagram, after I created my buckets, I created a CloudFront distribution for a more secure connection to my website. Then it was back over to Route 53, where I created a hosted zone, and inside this hosted zone I created 2 alias records for the 2 buckets, the root and the secondary, and then as well as a CNAME for the CloudFront distribution. All those records and buckets add up to this web page right here. Again, there's the domain, and if I reload it, it just comes back to it. Not a very exciting web page. It only has one HTML file. As one of the last requirements of part A, I have also set up an auto-scaling group to run it across a minimum load and minimum amount of servers. And then I also have the load balancers. For the second part of the project, we had to deploy a WordPress blog on a Linux or Windows instance. So what I did is I did it in a Linux instance, and did in this one right here. Now, what I also did was I created an Elastic Beanstalk instance. On a PHP platform, which is what these 2 VMs are doing right here, because they are a part of that Beanstalk instance. This VM is connected to both the Kung Fu Salimi database as well as it has WordPress installed on it. Now WordPress points to the RDS database that is connected with the Ubuntu. instance. And then over here is the dashboard with a matching IP for, whoops, the matching IP for this VM right here. There you go. That concludes my video presentation for my final project for CSC227 at Wake Tech Community College. Thanks and goodbye.